In this tutorial, I'm just going to touch on the wish list and just show it real quick. There's a lot of coding that went into this, and at some point in the past, I clicked and added that to the wish list, and so there's nothing in my wish list now. If I come over to furniture, there's one of the cool things a client can do. Say they like that and that one. And let's go to another page actually. And throw in this one here. And so we have all those there. We're going to go to the wish list. And now you'll see the 3 items that were chosen from the wish list are there. That's something they can print or call you and then have the actual items on one page so they know what they want for the wish list. It's just a straightforward wish list, but there's a lot of coding that was done to make it happen, and that's good function. I just wanted to show something that's maybe something that hasn't been highlighted before on the site. And so that's the end of this tutorial.